Tony. Saan punta? My gosh, kala namin delayed yung flight. Yung pala, ibang flight pala yung katabi namin. Ang dami kasing mga pakatiklan din eh. Yung pala, yung flight nila yung delay, hindi pala yung flight namin. My God. Tony, sunshiny day. Huh? We're on our way to Katiklan, no, anak? Okay. Enjoy the flight, sweetheart. Tony. Ay, patanggal ka ba? Only me and Tony are traveling. Si Daddy susunod na lang next week. May work pa kasi. Ayan. Anong ginagawa mo, anak? Wow. Nagawa siya ng coaster in the sky. So, ipapangalan natin dyan na coaster in the sky. Sige, habang busy ka dyan sa pagkukrochet, ako nakakainin to. Sunshiny day today. Bright sunshiny day.
Since we're going to Boracay, I want you to leave my crochet body. A jellyfish, an octopus, and a baby whale.
Hey, jellyfish, octopus, baby octopus, and the whale. This is so cute. Hey. I like them. These are Tony's creations. We're here at Katiklan na. Takot ka ba? Oh my God.
We're officially here in Boracay. This is the Boracay Wetland Park, and across the street is Maxima de Boracay.
Yes, Maxima de Boracay is just there right across the street. It's just near the Boracay de Mall, right?
And it's super convenient to stay here. So if you're looking for a place, you can try booking in Maxima de Boracay.
Yes. Oh, come on, let's cross the street na. This is Boracay's de Mall, Budget Mart, and nandun doon na ang McDonald's, and for ilang steps pa nandun ang Jollibee. Tony, happy? Tatay is not here with us because he still has work. So, see you, Tatay, in 2 weeks.
See you, Tatay, in 2 weeks.
I miss you already. Sarap.
Boracay once again.
kilig-kilig. Sobrang init. Anak, time check.
1 yata.
1 yata.
1 yata.
It's, tama, 1:50. 1:50 in the afternoon here in Boracay. Sobrang init. Syempre, tatago muna tayo. Balik tayo sa Maxima. We just finished eating at, ano yan? The Gratitude ba yun?
Yeah, Gratitude Cafe.
Gratitude Cafe. Oo. I only had grilled cheese and fries. And I just had coffee. Kasi masakit ulo ko.
Oh.
Let's go back to Maxima de Boracay. Let's take a nap.
Yeah.
Later, darating na ang iyong mga pinsan.
Yay!
And we have surprise guests too. Okay, see you later.
Later.
Tatay, we miss you, Tatay. Terribly.
Tata.
Love, love.
Love, love. Nanay, look what I made. I started doing this on the plane and now it's 6 in the evening.
Yes, it's 6 in the evening. We're waiting for Mami Yoli and your cousins to come over.
Yeah.
But their flight is already delayed. That's why we have to wait.
And
Ang ganda, anak. Pero you said,
I'm having a really hard time with the flowers. I just can't put them. So I'm gonna give it a rest and I'm gonna continue it tomorrow.
yes, anak. I know, you're doing a coaster, diba? It's a coaster
Yes.
set. Okay, sige. That's nice, anak. Love, love.
Love, love. Snack time while waiting for our companions. And this also serves as something to bring back my happiness because of my crochet. I got frustrated, tired, and a little stressed too. It was just
Don't worry, tomorrow if you do it again, you'll, ano na yun,
yeah.
that's it. I don't have any words, I'm so sleepy.
Now, here it is. Yay!
Hindi, snack lang muna kasi darating na mamaya sila and we will eat together. Okay, so cheers to our cheeseburger and then aaway tayo sa fries. Ang sarap ng fries, bagong luto, ang init. Okay, later ka na mag-juice, ano. Okay, let's eat.
Wednesday here, Boracay sleepover with me, Sparkling Mariana.
And me, Sparkling Tommy.
And me, Lily the Amazing!
Nagkaroon din kayo ng intro, guys. Where did we have our late dinner?
And Dogs Boracay!
Oo, maraming salamat at bukas pa ang Andox, 11 p.m. Nag-late night dinner tayo, right?
Yes.
Kasi tagal dumating ni Mariana eh.
I'm sorry!
And, what time is it na?
It's 1:50.
It's 1:50. Okay.
Yeah. And also,
fine.
we're planning to
To
go
wake
at 5 to see the sunrise.
So it's not sleep, it's a nap.
yeah, we're practically taking a nap. So,
It's just a nap.
yeah.
So, magnanap kayo ng 3 hours.
Yes.
Yes.
And then, we're gonna see the sunrise in a while.
Yes.
Okay? So, lights off na. In 3, 2, 1!
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, guys! Sino magpapatay ng ilaw kung lahat kayo humiga? Okay. Thank you, Amazing Lily.
Oh!
Okay, good night. Okay, have a nice nap. See you in 3 hours.
Rise and shine.
Good morning.
Time to swim in Bulabog Beach.
Yes, let's go to Bulabog.
Yay. After 3 hours.
Mariana, good morning na. Nakakakita ka na ba? Lily, prepared na? Okay, come on, let's go. Tony, good morning.
Good morning.
Come on, let's go na. Good morning, Boracay.